Hello friends, welcome to my channel. Today we will discuss some important points from Anatomy for NEET PG. Arc of Riolan. It is also called as mesenteric meandering artery of Moscovitz. Anastomosis between SMA and IMA. Superior mesenteric artery and inferior mesenteric artery. Marginal anastomosis of Drummond, continuous arterial arcade along the inner border of colon. Griffith point is present at the splenic flexure watershed area of ascending left colic artery and marginal artery of Drummond. Critical point of Sudeck. It is present at rectosigmoid junction, superior rectal artery and inferior mesenteric artery last branch. What is Dunbar syndrome? Dunbar syndrome is compression of celiac artery by median arcuate ligament due to higher origin of celiac artery. Wilkes disease is compression of third part of duodenum by superior mesenteric artery. Now let us do match the following. Come on, match the following. Come on, match the following. So L4 is bifurcation of common iliac artery. C4 bifurcation of common carotid artery. So L4 is F, 1 is F. So let me write here. C4 is bifurcation of common carotid artery, and T4 is sternal angle, T12 celiac trunk, L1 superior mesenteric artery origin, L3 inferior mesenteric artery origin. Next question. In ovarian pathology, pain will be referred to medial aspect of thigh. The nerve responsible is obturator nerve. Very important. Please remember this. Now coming to next. Carcinoma of head of pancreas obstructs which part of CBD? Answer is infraduodenal part of CBD, and it causes jaundice. It can cause jaundice also. Match the following sphincters. Actually, Boyden is sphincter of CBD. This is ampulla of Vater, sphincter of OD. Spiral valve fistula is present in gallbladder. This is wall of Hessner is nasolacrimal duct. Wall of Gerlach is appendix going into cecum. Ductus venosus is ligamentum venosum, remnant part. This is left umbilical vein is forming ligamentum teres. Next. Questions from some. Urine at umbilicus is patent urachus. Feces at umbilicus due to vitellointestinal duct. Okay, vitellointestinal, persistent vitellointestinal. This is urachus. Patent urachus is urine at umbilicus. We will get. Trigone of bladder is, as we know, is derived from mesoderm. Okay, and then up to 4th week, kidney function is done by pronephros. From 4th week to 2 month, it is mesonephros. Then after metanephros, it forms the renal kidney. Then this is match the following of malrotation of intestine. Superior mesenteric artery compressing transverse colon is seen in reverse rotation. So this is reverse rotation. Large intestine on left side, small intestine right side is non-rotation. Subpyloric cecum, Latz band is mixed rotation. Next, Brodal's line. What is Brodal's line? A vascular line situated between dash and dash segmental artery. So it is anterior and posterior. Now, renal fascia, very important, is called as gyrotous fascia. Anteriorly it is called as stalled fascia. Posterior is called as Zuckerkandel. Okay. And medially it merges with connective tissue of inferior vena cava and aorta, and here it merges with psoas major and quadratus lumborum. So Zuckerkandel medially it goes behind the kidney and merges with psoas major and quadratus lumborum, whereas stalled fascia, it medially it goes and merges with connective tissue of IVC and aorta. Thank you.